Good morning to all. My name is Chaudhary Kalpesh Gambhir, and today our topic is static keyword in Java. The static keyword in Java is used to memory management mainly. We can apply static keyword with variable, methods, block, and nested class. The static keywords belongs to the class, then an instance of the class. The static can be variables, also known as class variable, methods, also known as class method, block, and nested. So Java static variable, the static variable can be used to refer to the common property of all objects which is not unique for each object. For example, the company name of employee, college name of student, etc. The static variables get memory only once in the class area at the time of class loading. The advantage of static variables, it makes your program memory efficient. That is, it is save memory. So, understanding the problems with static variables. Suppose we create a class student, int roll number, string name. The string college is equal to xyz. Suppose there are 500 students in my college. Now all instance data member will get memory each time when the object is created. All students have the unique roll number and name. So instant data member is good in such a case. Here college so refers to the common property of all objects. If we make it static, this field will get the memory only once. So the example of static variables, we create a class student, int roll number, it is instant variable, string name, and static string is equal static string college is equal to xyz. So the create a constructor student, int r and int n. So r is equal to roll number and n is equal to name. So we create a method display. So in display method system.out.println roll number plus name plus college. So we create another class, public class. So we public class static variables. So in public void main stringers, the create an object student s1 is equal to new student 1 1 and passes the parameter 1 and name is xyz, and the create a second student, new student is equal new student and passes the parameter 2 and name is abc. So the calling to s1 and s2, so the output is 1 xyz 2 abc. So we have create an instance variable name count. So we have mentioned about static variable will get memory only once. If you object change the value of static variable, it will be retain the value. So second one is Java static method. If you apply static keyword with any method, it known as static method. So a static method belongs to the class rather than the object of the class. A static method can be invoked without the need of creating an instance of class. A static method can access static data members and can change the value of it. So these so the restriction of static method. There are two main restriction of static method. First is the static method cannot use non-static data member or call non-static method directly. And second one, the super cannot be used to static contact. So the third one is a Java static block. So is used to initialize the static data member. It is executed before the main method at the time of class overloading. So this is the static static keyword in Java. Thank you.